right, hello and welcome in. My name is Ray. I'm going to be serving you a cantaloupe martini today at the Bonnet Creek Resort here in Orlando, Florida. First, we're going to start off with some fresh cantaloupe. We juice it ourselves here. This is kind of the key ingredient to this drink. Fresh ingredients are always going to be better. Now that we got our fresh cantaloupe juice, we're going to start off by building the cocktail. It's going to be a vodka-based drink. First, start off by adding your ice, your fresh cantaloupe juice, lime juice, we have our simple syrup. Simple syrup is just equal parts white sugar and hot water. After that, we're going to add fee foam. Fee foam is going to be a foaming agent. We use this instead of egg white because it's going to be vegan. Add a couple dashes of that. And then last but not least, we're going to add our beluga vodka. After that, we're going to shake. Good hard shake. It's going to allow a nice frothy texture. Grab our chilled martini glass. Double strain. See how that gives a nice foam agent on top? And last but not least, we're going to garnish it. We use a rice paper here. We have printed with our Sear logo. Add that to the top. And we have a cantaloupe martini.